Okay, this looks very nice, Ruslan. Oh my god, this looks really realistic.
You know,
Is this
there is
Saturn? Like
yes,
And
orange
yeah,
Saturn.
Orange Saturn. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Or Aturn.
Oh, wow. If you've started an online business, there will come a time when you will have to create an ad. Whether it's for social media or for an email banner, that time will most definitely come. Well, today we are putting that to the test with the help of our two professional designers, Martinas and Ruslan. You guys will have 30 minutes to create an email banner using AI tools of your choice. We've prepared a specific concept for you guys to create the email banner on. Now, once the 30 minutes end, I want your hands off of the keyboard and the challenge will be done.
Okay, so what I will be doing, just going to ChatGPT and asking to create me a Starry Galaxy background or email banner that could be copied and used in Midjourney. As from my screen, I already asked to create a Midjourney prompt. So I already received some Galaxy backgrounds, which looks pretty nice. It looks like really futuristic. I also, while it generates the visual, I'll be asking to create a texture for the visual as well, to create some, depth for it.
I've done right now. I created separate chat in Gemini. I already prepared some basic instructions and I'm just gonna copy it and put it in Freepik. So I didn't pay attention to the prompt that I received and I received pretty unobvious results. I have not mock-up of the feed bar, but I have like the whole image of Voyager vitamins.
I already have upscaled image, and as you can see, like the textures are like so good. It's like it could be like a wallpaper, and now, like as you can see, like even though like our banner size is like 1200 pixels in width, it's just like the scaled image is so much bigger, so it has like all the quality in it, and it will look professional.
Yeah.
So yeah, now let's wait for the results of the healthy bar. I still received pretty bad results, like it's not even realistic, but
that's fine.
You can see like.
Fine.
So once I can't receive any results I want, you can always go to the Google, find the image as a reference and paste it to Midjourney as a style reference, and then recreate the prompt shot, so then Midjourney understands the concept of it.
When you described everything, I just tried to do the same, but in the opposite way in Freepik, and actually, it looks so good. Yes, it is. So I really love this image, and some tips and tricks regarding Freepik. We can see what the model were used for generating the images. And I see that it was generated by Seedream 3. I want to have more results with Seedream 3, so I will select a model. This is stunning. I love this mockup. I can even sell it on Freepik because I can upload this as PSD. Yeah. And right now I want to generate the design of the packaging itself. And well, as I said, like I love this planet. It's something
it's
like
so good. It's so good.
It's weird, but it works for me. But there is some realism, I guess.
All right, guys, we're about at the halfway mark, and I just wanted to see how we're doing and what you guys accomplished so far. Oh, those are nice.
Yes, it is.
This is with Freepik?
Yes, with a Seedream model, so it works.
I can see the vision, like the Galaxy bar, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else are you planning to put in your design?
So I will stick to this thing, and
Awesome.
also I will add some necessary information like logotype, like grams, how much protein.
That's awesome. Okay, I can't wait to see what you end up with, Martina.
Yeah, like I'm
What?
still struggling. Like Midjourney doesn't give
you-
me like the right visuals, so I'm still like waiting for good results.
I mean, this is pretty.
It's okay, but
Why is
still
the
like
bar?
Yeah, it's
the same color as the
it's
galaxy.
Just a prompt thing. Yeah, it's just a prompt thing. So I'll need to work on a little bit on this.
So you're a bit behind Ruslan,
yeah, I
right?
think like at the moment, yeah, like, and I'm
Okay.
thinking like on the concepts.
Really nice. I can't wait to see what their designs turn out like. They're already really underway and you don't have a lot of time left, so speed it up a lot, guys. I'll be back to see your designs later.
I already changed a little bit the concept for the visual itself, and I'm thinking that I'll be going with the already made image of the snack bar. I received some pretty nice results in general, so I'll take like the static square picture of the candy bar that is in front of the galaxy. And the very nice thing on the Adobe Photoshop that it has like a generative fill to improve and extend the image to the sides, so it doesn't really matter, like the corners are missing, you can fill it in, like fulfill all the images you can see. Like the result is much more better now. And we don't have enough of space on the left side to build the text, so I also like a little bit add here some depth, and once again I will fill it here.
I actually unexpected this, but I asked Gemini to generate me a prompt for the packaging itself. But as a designer, from the opposite side, I see it's a great ideas. Like I can implement it, I can use it as a concept, and I have already like pretty damn good design.
It looks that I don't know what I'm doing. Like it's not the way that I am intended. Like although I'm using Photoshop selection of like the logo that I have created to implement on the healthy bar, but the mockup is not working the way I want, so I'll try another way.
Actually, I want to get back to the mock-up design because I thought that it would be fair to show not only on the packaging but also have some opened packaging. From my experience, it will work better for email campaigns because it's pretty straightforward to see the bar itself.
Okay, one of them is like pretty nice, so I think like I'll keep it. And yeah, as you can see, like I implemented the logo here, so the visual looks a little bit better. Like I need some maybe textures and text for this to make it like a look an advertisement. So I'll need to find the right font.
Guys, we're at the 5-minute mark, so you only have 5 minutes left. I saw Martina's sweating here.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
It's like more
It's
difficult than I imagined.
pretty okay.
It's okay,
I like
like-
the font. But this is looking pretty good. Like the last time I saw your
Oh, yeah.
screen, it was a whole mess, and now it's
Yeah.
actually looking like an email banner. So we're getting somewhere. It's
Yeah.
looking pretty nice. I like the bar. Ruslan, can I see your email banner, how it's coming along? You were pretty far along the last time I checked on your screen.
Yes. You know, I slightly adjusted the prompt because as I mentioned, I wanted to add the fruits itself.
That
pretty
design
safe.
of the candy bar, it looks really, really realistic. Like the one at the top. I mean, I can't believe honestly. But yours is looking nice. Yours is looking nice too. Okay, guys, you have a little bit of time left, so I will be back soon and we'll go through your final designs.
I also decided to use Adobe Firefly to see what we can do with my decided font to make it more holographic. Already, as you can see, like it uses the font pretty nicely, and it's pretty nice. Like I like the colors and the selection here.
I spent too much time for experimenting.
Same.
Okay, guys, 10 seconds left. So you need to finish up your designs, and that is gonna be it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands off of the computers. Oh, wow. Okay, I want you guys to show me your designs full screen, and let's see what we've got here. Okay, this looks very nice, Ruslan. Oh my God, this looks really realistic.
You know,
This
there is
Saturn? Like
yes,
And
orange
yeah,
Saturn.
Orange Saturn. Oh my God, that's so cool.
Or Saturn.
Oh, wow.
orange Saturn.
Yes, orange Saturn.
yeah.
Totally. What AI design tools did you use?
My today's tool was only Freepik.
Only Freepik.
Only Freepik. In terms of generating images. Of course, I
Right.
worked with Gemini for adjusting the prompt and so on. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Well, I love that design. I think it looks really cool, and that you managed to basically do that with one tool is insane to me, right? Really nice job. Martinas,
Yeah.
what about you?
So I managed to implement the logo on the snack bar, and then it was a very short time to create a sale message as
So
it
that's
is
where
like
the big text, big sale text
big
came
text,
in.
yeah,
Big text, big
big
sale.
text on the sale. I wish I made it like a little bit better.
But this is looking like still from the last time I saw it, this looks really nice. And could you zoom in? I love the like kind of holographic text thing you did.
Oh yeah.
The texture is really nice. Also, Martina's one last question for you. What AI design tools did you use?
ChatGPT for prompt generation, Midjourney for creating visuals, then Adobe Firefly for making text in a holographic way. Of course, Photoshop creating, you know, a whole composition for the visual, but any kind of tool works here basically.
Well, you guys both have awesome designs. Yeah, shake hands. So now the $1,000,000 question. Can AI tools actually replace professional designers? What do you guys think?
Not yet.
From what I see in Ruslan, as like it's just only the Freepik that made the visual, it can make like really good product shots. So all the designers have to really follow the updates and implement AI in most of the works, so the AI wouldn't replace them, because it's getting easier and easier, and maybe like anyone can use it basically now. So, but it won't replace the people, because people has different mindsets.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And that is it for this video. You guys did absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for being here. But the real judges here are gonna be you guys, the viewers. Let us know in the comments whose design you like better, Ruslan's design or Martinas's design. Also, if you guys are interested in email marketing, a very great and beginner-friendly platform is Hosting Your Reach. So definitely check it out. The link will be in the description below, and also a very handy coupon code. And make sure to subscribe to Hosting Your Academy, as we will be doing a continuation of this video series, where next time we will have 2 video professionals try to create UGC ads using only AI tools. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.